IPL 2026 all teams probable playing 11 with impact player. First team Rajasthan Royals. Openers SSV Jaiswal, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Number 3 Devon Ferreira. Number 4 Rian Parag. Number 5 Dhruv Jurel. Number 6 Hetmeyer. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Sam Curran. Number 9 Jofra Archer. Number 10 Ravi Bishnoi. Number 11 Tushar Deshpande. And impact player Sandeep Sharma. Second team Punjab Kings. Openers Priyan Sharia, Prabh Simran Singh. Number 3 Shreyas Iyer. Number 4 Nehal Odera. Number 5 Shashank Singh. Number 6 Marcus Stoinis. Number 7 Marco Henson. Number 8 Azmatullah Omarjai. Number 9 Harpreet Bar. Number 10 Vishak Vijay Kumar. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh. And impact player Chahal. Third team Mumbai Indians. Rohit Sharma and Decock. Number 3 Tilak Verma. Number 4 Suryakumar Yadav. Number 5 Namandir. Number 6 Hardik Pandya. Number 7 Rutherford. Number 8 Santner. Number 9 Boult. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 11 Ray Stopley. Number 12 Ashwini Kumar. Fourth team Gujarat Titans. Openers Suman Gill and Sai Sudarshan. Number 3 Josh Butler. Number 4 Glenn Phillips. Number 5 Shah Rukh Khan. Number 6 Rahul Tewatia. Number 7 Rashid Khan. Number 8 Washington Sundar. Number 9 Rabada. Number 10 Sai Kishore. Number 11 Siraj. Impact player Prashid Krishna. Fifth team Delhi Capitals. Openers KL Rahul and Ben Duckett. Number 3 Nitish Rana. Number 4 Stubbs. Number 5 Akshar Patel. Number 6 David Miller. Number 7 Akshito Sharma. Number 8 Vibraj Nigam. Number 9 Akib Nabi. Number 10 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 11 Mitchell Stark. Impact player Natarajan. Sixth team Lucknow Super Giants. Mitchell Mas and Makram. Number 3 Rishabh Pant. Number 4 Nicholas Puran. Number 5 Abdul Samad. Number 6 Ayush Badoni. Number 7 Shabad Ahmad. Number 8 Asranga. Number 9 Avish Khan. Number 10 Digvesh Rathi. Number 11 Mayank Yadav. Impact player Mohammad Shami. Seventh team Kolkata. Openers Sunil Narayan and Ajikya Rahane. Number 3 Rahul Tripathi. Number 4 Cameron Green. Number 5 Raghuvamshi. Number 6 Rinku Singh. Number 7 Ramandeep Singh. Number 8 Harshit Rana. Number 9 Mustafizur. Number 10 Varun Chakravarti. Number 11 Patirana. Impact player Vaibhav Arora. Eighth team Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Openers Phil Salt and Virat Kohli. Number 3 Venkatesh Iyer. Number 4 Rajat Patidar. Number 5 Tim David. Number 6 Jitesh Sharma. Number 7 Shepherd. Number 8 Krunal Pandya. Number 9 Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Number 10 S. Dayal. Number 11 Ezelwood. Impact player Shreyas Sharma. And ninth team Chennai Super Kings. Openers Ayush Matre and Sanju Samson. Number 3 Rutraj Gaikwad. Number 4 Bravis. Number 5 Shivam Dubey. Number 6 Prashant Veer. Number 7 Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Number 8 Jimmy Overton. Number 9 Noor Ahmad. Number 10 Khalil Ahmad. Number 11 Nathan Ellis. Impact player Anshul Kamboj. And final 10th team Sunrisers Hyderabad. Openers Abhishek Sharma and Travis Head. Number 3 Ishan Kishan. Number 4 Klassen. Number 5 Nitish Kumar Reddy. Number 6 Aniket Verma. Number 7 Livingstone. Number 8 Pat Cummins. Number 9 Arsh Dubey. Number 10 Arshal Patel. Number 11 Jaydev Unadkat. Impact player Jishan Ansari or Fuletra. This is the all teams probable playing 11.